Welcome, in front of me is DELL Precision 5520, and in this video I will show you how to use on-screen keyboard on this device. So if your keyboard is responding, or maybe you have an external keyboard connected to your laptop, then you can simply call the on-screen keyboard by pressing Windows, Ctrl and O buttons at the same time, like this. Let me do it one more time. Okay, and this way we can call out the on-screen keyboard. You can resize it however you want, adapt it to your needs, and to close it, press X button. And if you can't access your physical keyboard, then you can also go to the Start menu, go to Settings, then select Accessibility and enable keyboard from here by clicking on the keyboard option and then enable on-screen keyboard. Okay, and the last option that you have is located in Bluetooth and devices, or excuse me, it's personalization. And here you have text input options. Here you can find the touch keyboard, and in order to enable it, click right here and then select type right here and select always. And as you can see right now, we got an on-screen keyboard right on the taskbar. So if you want to have a keyboard at any time, it will look slightly different, and it's unchangeable, so it will stay right like here, like this. But if you want to have an on-screen keyboard at any time, you can just use this one option and just use this keyboard as a normal one. It works pretty smoothly, and basically that's it. That's how you use the on-screen keyboard on your laptop. So thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.